Alright, seems a bit
and it sounded really
loud, eh?
Once it got going. It did quiet down a bit after it was running for several minutes, but
yeah, they're notorious, these ones. What you mean?
yeah, so once I did that and I actually spun it, it did catch and turn.
Yeah. So it looks like we need a new motor. Let me just see the model number on here. It's impossible to see this one. Yeah, so 2010. Okay. So we do have a bad Venner motor. I could hear it humming, so we'll have to see if we can get you guys one. When was this installed?
2010.
October 2010. Hopefully they registered. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to confirm voltage to the motor. Fire it up. So we got voltage. So we know the board's okay. Had we not had voltage. Alright guys, so got the inducer motor. Goodman opened up. Telling you, man, Goodman always opens up hassle free for us up here. Girl got me to double check the box, check the warranty. Gotta admit, man, they got some good service and they have a decent tool selection compared to most places up here. Anyways, I'm on my way back to that call. 2010 Goodman, failed inducer motor, power going to it. Very, very, very common. So we're gonna put them on the service plan, save them some money. So on the weekend when we have to open up a wholesaler, it's 150 Canadian that they charge us, and we pass that on to the customer. But if you take our service plan, we'll waive that for them. So you'd be silly not to take the service plan. So that's how we do it over here. So I'm on my way back, get some footage, and talk to you guys in a bit. putting batteries back in my old Big Larry Nebo. These aren't bad. If I was to buy another one, I'd get a rechargeable, but it's pretty bright. Strong magnet. Fits right in there, nice and slim. Fits in my service bag. Just a small little repair bag. My TP3B. I just keep for a quick grab and go. Nice and handy. So we just got a couple screws to remove. There should be one down there as well. One, two, and three. Try and do your best to get that gasket off so you can put the new one on. So I'm going to remove this and put the replacement on. Okay, so I got all of that broken off. I got the new gasket. It's just going to go right on there. Alright, so we're all done here. Let's fire this up and see how she's doing. Alright guys, so that was a simple one. Goodman inducer motor. We'll get these guys back to feeling warm, and that's about it. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. Hoser's out of here. Later.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here